Hello friends, today we learn A to Z alphabets. Let's start. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ink. J for jackal. K for kite. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for quill. R for rainbow. S for snake. T for tent. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for x-ray. Y for yarn. Z for zoo. Bye bye friends, see you soon next video. Don't forget like and subscribe. Hello friends, today we learn 1 to 15 numbers. Let's start with orange color. 1 number. 2 number 2. 3 number 3. 4 number 4. 5 number 5. Yellow color. 6 number 6. 7 number 7. 8 number 8. 9 number 9. 10 number 10. Pink color. 11 number 11. 12 number 12. 13 number 13. 14 number 14. 15 number 15. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Bye bye friends.